Today we are going to introduce to you our production process for aloe vera juice and other products made from aloe vera. Planting. From the moment our aloe is rooted in the ground, we ensure every single plant carefully nurtured to ensure the thick, green leaves grow plump and strong. Harvesting. Once the lower leaves reach maturity after about 1 year, we harvest each one by hand. Only the leaves that have reached maturity are harvested to ensure that we can extract the largest amount of pure aloe vera gel. Transporting to the processing place. After removal from the plant, each leaf is transported to our on-site processing station for washing and filleting. Washing. We wash each leaf twice before filleting it by hand. Hand filleting ensures that the rice is fully removed and only the nutritious inner gel is left. Next, the aloe vera gel passes through several quality check stations, and any anomalies are removed before it travels to the aseptic tank for processing. Washing the aloe. The pure gel is then bulk packed into large totes for transportation to one of our manufacturing facilities. During the aseptic process, the aloe is flash heated to lock into the benefits and freshness, while safety reducing bad bacteria without the need for preservatives. This process ensures the final product tastes as fresh and is as nutritious as possible. This state-of-the-art facility boasts the latest in manufacturing technology, product labs, and product research and development. From here, the aloe juice boxes head to the packaging line. Our aloe drinks are released for shipment with all the goodness sealed inside.